Number 1. 1968 GMC 1500 regular cab long bed, $6,000, Lexington, North Carolina. This 1968 GMC 1500 regular cab long bed is listed for $6,000 in Lexington, North Carolina. Although it does not currently run, it comes with valuable replacement body panels, including a hood, doors, and a fender, making it an appealing restoration candidate. Factory air conditioning is another desirable feature that adds collector value. The 1968 GMC pickups share much of their engineering with Chevrolet trucks, but have their own distinctive styling, making them increasingly sought after by enthusiasts. For buyers looking for a solid foundation rather than a finished driver, this truck offers excellent long-term potential. Number 2. 1967 Ford F100 short bed, $6,500, Mocksville, North Carolina. This 1967 Ford F100 short bed is available for $6,500 in Mocksville, North Carolina. Powered by a 352 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it features a brand new 4-barrel intake and carburetor while remaining fully drivable. The body has been stripped to bare metal and protected with a clear coat, giving it an authentic hot rod appearance, although some rust remains in typical areas. A lowered stance and upgraded sound system add personality, while headers are still needed to complete the build. The 1967 F100 is widely respected for its timeless styling and strong aftermarket support, making this a fun truck for cruising or further customization. Number 3. 1982 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 regular cab, $5,500, Mooresboro, North Carolina. This 1982 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 regular cab is offered for $5,500 in Mooresboro, North Carolina. Originally built as a diesel truck, it now houses a 350 cubic inch V8, although the engine has exhaust leaks that should be addressed. The seller honestly notes rust in the rocker panels, passenger side cab corner, wheel arches, and tailgate, but the truck includes a clean title. Square-body GMC pickups continue to gain popularity because of their rugged design, simple mechanics, and excellent parts availability. With body repairs and mechanical attention, this Sierra could become a very desirable classic pickup. Number 4. 1972 Ford F100 short bed, $7,000, Denver, North Carolina. This 1972 Ford F100 short bed is listed for $7,000 in Denver, North Carolina. This unique build combines a 1972 cab with a 1970 grille and a 1977 chassis, providing the benefit of front disc brakes. Power comes from a 390 cubic inch V8 backed by a C6 automatic transmission, now upgraded with a modern Holley Sniper fuel injection system and electronic ignition. The truck runs exceptionally well and has only light surface rust in the bed. While the missing identification plate may require additional paperwork in the future, this is an impressive driver with thoughtful upgrades that improve reliability without sacrificing vintage character. Number 5. 1977 Ford F150 long bed, $3,000, Albany, Georgia. This 1977 Ford F150 long bed is available for $3,000 in Albany, Georgia. Purchased as a project, it still runs and drives despite having an engine that needs significant attention. The truck benefits from numerous recent replacement parts, including head gaskets, intake gaskets, belts, spark plug wires, and a starter solenoid. An extra bed and additional spare components are included, helping offset the rust found in the original bed and floor pans. 77 Ford pickups remain popular restoration candidates thanks to their durable chassis and strong aftermarket support, making this an affordable project with good potential. Number 6. 1983 Ford Ranger Short Bed, $875. Hartwell, Georgia. This 1983 Ford Ranger Short Bed is listed for just $875 in Hartwell, Georgia. Equipped with the dependable 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, it currently runs well but requires a new clutch before returning to regular road use. The seller describes the body as straight and rust-free, making it especially attractive considering its low asking price. Early Rangers are becoming increasingly collectible as compact trucks continue to gain appreciation among enthusiasts. This example represents an inexpensive entry point into classic truck ownership. Number 7. 1981 Ford F100 Custom, $5,000, Perrysburg, Ohio. This 1981 Ford F100 Custom is offered for $5,000 in Perrysburg, Ohio. Under the hood is the legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six, an engine famous for exceptional durability and impressive torque. The truck comes with additional performance parts, including a 4-barrel carburetor, allowing the next owner to continue improving it. A clean title and straightforward mechanical layout make this a practical classic that can easily serve as either a reliable cruiser or a light restoration project. Few vintage truck engines enjoy the reputation for longevity that the Ford inline-six has earned. Number 8. 1985 Ford F250 XL, $2,500, Front Royal, Virginia. This 1985 Ford F250 XL is available for $2,500 in Front Royal, Virginia. Despite showing over 269,000 miles, the seller states that it runs and drives very well, with the only immediate need being a new set of tires because of dry rot. A clean title and manual transmission make it especially attractive to buyers seeking a dependable work truck with vintage appeal. Mid-1980s Ford F-Series pickups are known for their simple construction and rugged drivetrains, making them easy to maintain and enjoyable to own. Number 9. 1962 Ford F350 165-inch wheelbase, $4,500, Fredericksburg, Virginia. This 1962 Ford F350 165-inch wheelbase is listed for $4,500 in Fredericksburg, Virginia. The seller uses the truck regularly for hauling, demonstrating that it remains dependable despite its modest cruising speed of about 50 miles per hour. Heavy-duty Ford trucks from the early 1960s were built for durability rather than speed, and this example still fulfills that purpose today. For collectors interested in vintage commercial vehicles, it offers honest usability along with authentic working truck character. Number 10. 1974 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long bed, $7,500, Goldsboro, North Carolina. This 1974 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long bed is offered for $7,500 in Goldsboro, North Carolina. Powered by a solid 350 cubic inch V8, the truck features fresh paint, a completely redone interior, and new front and rear bumpers. The seller also includes extra doors and the original body side moldings, adding value for future preservation. The 1973 through 1987 Chevrolet pickups remain among the most popular classic trucks in America because they combine attractive styling with excellent parts availability. This example appears ready to be enjoyed immediately. Number 11. 1971 Ford F100, $8,000, Southgate, California. This 1971 Ford F100 is available for $8,000 in Southgate, California. Equipped with a V8 engine and a traditional 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column, it offers an authentic vintage driving experience. The truck primarily needs cosmetic refinishing, with paint being the seller's main concern. California trucks are often desirable because they tend to have less severe rust than vehicles from harsher climates. For someone wanting a mechanically straightforward classic with room for cosmetic improvement, this Ford is an attractive choice. Number 12. 1979 GMC 1500 regular cab stepside, $7,000. Pima, Arizona. This 1979 GMC 1500 regular cab stepside is listed for $7,000 in Pima, Arizona. Originally equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, it now features a cam 283 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The truck also benefits from new tires, new exhaust, a new radiator, and replacement hoses, while retaining its original wood bed floor and updated windshield. Although the interior requires restoration after rodent damage, the clean body and minimal rust provide an excellent starting point. Stepside pickups remain especially popular because of their distinctive styling and strong collector appeal. Number 13. 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special Cheyenne, $3,400. Los Angeles, California. This 1977 Chevrolet C20 Camper Special Cheyenne is offered for $3,400 in Los Angeles, California. While an unfortunate engine compartment fire currently prevents the truck from running, it retains many highly desirable original features, including a strong turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission, a 350 cubic inch V8, original manuals, factory assembly documentation, an auxiliary fuel tank, and a period Winnebago camper shell. The seller also recently serviced the transmission and brake booster before the fire occurred. For experienced restorers, this is a rare opportunity to rescue a largely original camper special with exceptional documentation and significant collectible value.